So, today is June 11, 12:25 p.m. So, magta-try ako mag-vlog here. Like right now. Kasi diba, I always... Nagva-vlog naman ako, pero pag nag-out of the country lang kami or like... pag may pinupuntahan lang kaming new places. But I haven't tried vlogging here lang sa Manila. So, I guess this is the right time to vlog. So, ayan. Nag-get ready lang ako. Kasi as I've said earlier, we'll be going to BGC. Dahil nagkikrave si Crystal din ng ramen. So, ayun. Isa-satisfy ang cravings niya. So, yan. Nagda-dry lang ako ng hair. Actually, kanina pa ako nagda-dry dito. And sobrang tagal matuyo ng hair ko kasi it's so kapal. And ang dami pang natitirang hair. But, let's do this. Finally, guys. Tapos na ako mag-blow dry. Grabe. Ang tagal ko nag-blow dry. Pero wala namang something special about my hair. Ayan. So, ito lang yung ginamit ko na pang blow dry. Yung Hudek. I just got this from TikTok shop. So, first thing, I use this Anua na rice plus ceramide moisturizing milk.
So, Ash is our driver for today. And, go signal na.
Okay, ways.
So, magla-left ka. Nandito na kami sa BGC. And, we're gonna eat at Mendocoro. First time nilang kumain. Ash and also Denise. Say hi! She's already awake! Mag-u-turn ka sa may, kung saan may
Ito pala
U-turn.
parking.
Ito nga yung Landers King ka.
Okay,
Ito the podium parking o basement parking.
Wala
sige
na.
dito na lang
Dito
kasi
na lang.
meets ko na ka. Ha?
Wait, where's the parking?
Hindi, kailangan mo pang mag-U-turn. Either mag-U-turn ka or mag-kengkwa ka na lang dyan.
Magganyan ka na lang, di ba?
Sige.
Ay, hindi. Ayun, parking.
Ayun parking. O sige, mag-kengkwa ka na lang dyan. With Denise. She's the birthday girl of our life.
Guys, sobrang drained na niya.
Yeah,
Kasi June 9, 10, then ngayon 11, na siya nagse-celebrate ng birthday niya.
yes,
Wala tayong
like,
magagawa.
yung birthday niya is parang
Oh my gosh.
kay Lord.
Okay.
Ay, kailangan.
I think
hindi.
magra-right. Ito.
Mag-U-turn ka dyan?
Ito butas, oh.
Oh, sige.
So, pwede.
Uy, grabe yung cover namin ng big bag mo, kuya. You got something that I can't help right.
Perfect.
Purple! Guys, nakapark kami sa mall itself. Like, kung saan kami kakain. Like, we don't need to walk anymore. Ang haba ng vlog na to dahil sa kadaldalan.
Okay, stop. Nakapark na kami. Now, we're gonna go dun sa ramen place. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Hi. Guys, mali yung dinaanan niya. It's supposed to be this one. But then, iikot pa kami. We're walking in front of the sun. Kasi yung waves namin. Perfect siya.
So, bale, may human ways siya and may...
Here na, and we're just waiting for our order. Sana naririnig niyo ako.
that I can. Very tita vibe, very... What vibe?
I don't know.
Tom vibe. No.
That's so,
Who taught you that? No.
that's so horny na. Our order is here, guys. Nag-half lang kami ni Crystal. Kasi feeling namin ang dami. And ito yung original size. I think she's hungry. Oh my god, it looks so creamy.
It is. This is my favorite ramen ever.
How would you rate this? Out of a 10.
It's 10.
So good guys. Like,
Thank you guys. Hindi ka na disappoint.
sobrang different ka sa ramen namin. As in, malayo.
Wala siya sa top ko. Yung ramen agad.
Gets na natin. Gets na natin.
So we're here sa parking and now we're about to go to the Manji Zoo. Dito, maganda yung bra. Yes! Show your outfit! Wait
My
lang.
outfit for today, this is from Terra Nova, this is from I Don't Know.
Yes.
This is from Celine, and this is our Puma ballerina. Looking nice.
Yes, look at your behind your back.
check.
Happy birthday to you! It's green!
Okay, there's a card.
Okay.
Put it somewhere.
Hi.
Bina-vlog takeover mo ba?
Vlog takeover. This is Denise. I'm a friend of Ash, and they gave me flowers. And now we're walking on our way to like somewhere.
It's our drink. Tapos na kami mag-picture.
Yeah. Now we're gonna
Try our drink.
yes with the other table. Other table.
The other table.
Okay, vlog takeover version 2.0 with Ash. And that is missing. We're missing one because someone na siya sa parking. And right now we're gonna sundo her and we're gonna go to photo booth.
Photo booth.
Sobrang dito.
I think it's small letter. V is small letter.
I think I will hold it. Uy, si Siri.
Small na yan. Big letter. Small letter B. BK. Ano ito? BK4H. Yan, V. Tapos small. Hindi kaya ito mag-glare sa ilaw. Ano nga natin? 4 ba yun? Without. Freak. We got our pin. Sobrang cute. Ala, ang cute. Sisilip tayo. Guys, sobrang stressful. For real. Books. Here's our solo pics. Sobrang nakaka-pressure. Right?
Sobra.
Right?
Yes.
So there. And here's our groupie. Oh my God, ang cute.
So, ngayon po, kasalukuyan po tayong naglalakad sa ulan. Ha? Ngayon po, naglalakad po tayo ng ulan. Ngayon, like right now, Jigum! Tapos, ay, ayoko na, kayo na lang. Hoy! Nak! Go, go, go! Unsa man na! Galing talaga ni photographer Rush. Galing. Behind the scenes.
Ito bigla-bigla siyang lumalakad. Hindi pa ako prepared.
Sabi niya yun.
Kainis. Ako maglakad kasi gusto ko iangat yung skirt ko.
Grabe guys, ang stress ko forecaster. Ngayon po kasalukuyan po tayo na sa BGC. BGC 118 Fashion. Tapos, umuulan po ngayon. Ano?
Ayusin mo.
Ayusin. Sorry. So right now we're gonna go home. Why? Because right now we're on our way to our car. Our car, hindi.
Baka ma-shoot ka sa ano.
Ito nga, ano ka ba?
Go drive, Ash. Okay, fine. Do I have a choice? Wala. Kasi dyan lang bahay mo. Wait lang.
Gago ba saan yung ano ko? So ngayon, ito na nga, no? Grabe naman, dikit naman tong ano, natutulog yun na ito na para bang... Unsama na! Teka lang, nak. Teka lang. Teka lang, nay.
Gago. Gusto tayo sa ano. Boy! Pwede connect.
Ang ganda ng ano dito, view dito. Tingin. Video yun.
Go. Okay, go. Ayusin mo.
This is Ash gift. So let's open it. Wait. Paano ko tanggalin ang cassette nito? Wait ako. Sorry. Ano yun? Wicked Witch. Ay, mali.
Pakita mo.
Wicked Witch of the North. Of the North. Hindi, of the West. Apa ba? Gawin na. Apa ba? Gawin na. Ay, sakto.
Witch.
And, bakit hindi mo binigay kanina? Kinailangan ko ng sukulay.
Sorry.
Oh, mainis mo ba? Thank
Show
you.
it, show it, show it.
Show it.
Love it. Mahilig kasi ako sa sukulay, guys. So, it's a brush and it's...
Okay na, next. Ano ba? Oo, tatlo yan.
Item number 1. Woo! Notebook.
May prize pa, sorry.
Kasi, this is the story of how... Hindi, mali. Kasi, nawawalan ako lagi ng tickler. And perfect ka.
And it's
I
green.
love it. Yeah, and it's green!
Okay, next.
Okay, last but not least. Certainly not least. Wala na, para haluin. Ano to? Ano to? Ah! Uy, grabe ko naman!
Read it out loud.
Sabi, makeup sponge kasi dugyot na yun sa'yo. So, itapon mo na yun. Grabe yan, pinakita ko. That's my favorite blender.
Uy, dito to.
It's so cool! It's green and it's weird. Bakit ganito ang ano itsura? Grabe, ibang form. Complexion Pro Beauty Sponge.
Dito ulit.
Sorry! I love it. I love this! Unsama na! Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Thanks! I really love it, sister. Like,
Ingay niya.
open na. Thank you! Thank you talaga. I really appreciate it and I love this very much. And it has a bow. It has a bow!
You wanna try it na?
Yeah, ito na.
Okay, try it na.